At $70 per barrel, most oil and gas companies print money. Many are profitable all the way down to a break-even of about $35 to $40 per barrel. Our administration has been releasing our Strategic Petroleum Reserves, the SPR, in order to lower the cost of our gas at the pumps. It's down to the lowest levels since 1984. In this video, we will discuss an option trade that we can put on when oil gets down to $70 per barrel. At $70, it's the level that Biden said he would start buying back and refilling the SPR. In this video, we will look at the incredible opportunity in crude oil right now and how to place an option trade in crude oil on the option trading platform.
Hey guys, Darren here. Thanks for joining. We talk about action steps you can take today to increase profits and reduce risk in your options trading portfolio. Please check out and download the free options workshop in the link below.
It talks about the two main benefits of trading options over buying stocks. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial planner and I'm not recommending trades. Please do your own research, and if you're new or learning options, I recommend you start small. What is the opportunity in crude oil right now? Let's be honest, guys. Fossil fuels supply 85% of the world's energy, and it's not going to change significantly in the next decade. It's very much a political issue along with things like climate change. Until the next election in 2024 and a possible change in the administration, it's very likely that we will stay energy dependent and oil prices will remain high. When the crude oil futures get in the $70 to $75 range, I'm going to be long crude hand over fist until the next election at least. As you can see from the chart on TradingView, crude oil has pretty much stayed above the 72 short strike for most of the past year. I think this is an incredible opportunity right now. Anytime that I'm able to sell a put vertical spread at the lows for the year, and this is the level, and collect about 1/3 the width of the strike, I'm going to do it. So, how do we sell a put vertical spread option trade in crude oil? We'll show an example on the Tastytrade platform. It's the best trade platform for options. I'll put a link down below. We go to the trade tab and punch in /CL in the upper left. We pick the May 17 option chain. Most of the time I like to go closest to 45 days to expiration. However, with futures, I'll often go closer to 20 days since they seem to move slow at 45 days to expiration. Now, we click on the bid to sell the 72 put and the ask to buy the 71 put, and we collect $270. We switch to the curve mode by clicking on curve, and we can see our profit zone in green. As long as the stock price stays above the 72 short put strike, in the next 19 days, we keep the entire $270. Crude oil futures are a big product, and through buying the 71 long put, we are limiting our max loss to the $730. The break even is the 72 short strike minus the 0.27 collected, so it's 71.73. So it would take a 5% move down before we start losing money. However, worst case, if crude does move down, we'll look to close and roll to the next option cycle and collect additional premium. So our profits are just delayed a little. After placing the trade, if we get a quick jump up and can close the order for a $100 winner, we'll do that in the next couple of days. I'll look to rinse and repeat and put it right back on a down move. If there's a further drop, I'll likely add one more tranche or vertical spread in order to average down and potentially double my profits. Lastly, crude oil moves quickly and the price may have already moved up by the time you're watching this video. However, this is a trade that I've done several times already this year, and there will likely be an opportunity to do it again soon. I put in a GTC good till canceled order and sell it when it hits my level. If you want to know how to use GTC orders, let me know in the comments below. I can make a video on it.
All right, guys, I put a link down below for the free options workshop. Be sure and grab that. Also, let me know what you thought of this trade and what you're trading in your options trading account. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.